I am unboxing for you and I'm going to review this mini electric chainsaw. So it comes in this box as is. I will show you everything it comes with. I love this little box. It has some clips to keep it closed, and here is everything. Here is the electric chainsaw. It is a 6-inch and it is light, really great for small projects. It comes with, here's one battery. It comes with a second battery as well, so you can keep one charging as you're working on a project. It charges with this electric charger that you plug into the wall and then plug it into the battery. Comes with a pair of gloves. Comes with safety glasses. Always gotta wear your safety glasses when you're doing projects like this. But love that it comes with all these items. So here it is. I'm going to take down this little tree we have in our backyard. We have done some new rearranging in the backyard and this tree is in the way, unfortunately. So very easy. There's a clip on the side, a safety clip. So you just press that in to get it started. And this tree is very easy to take down now. This little chainsaw is so convenient being cordless. It is light. I am able to use it all on my own. I absolutely am really enjoying this chainsaw a lot for small projects. We don't have large trees in our home, so this is perfect. And we don't take down a lot of trees, so I did not want to get a full chainsaw to have around. So this small one, it doesn't take up a lot of space. I just love how it has the storage box that it comes with, and I can store it very easily. Really great chainsaw if you need something for a small project. I'll put a link to this one in the description box. If you like this one, it is available on Amazon. It is a great value and I absolutely love it. So my tree is almost done coming down, and then I will use my chainsaw to cut up the branches to put into our yard waste container. But very simple to use, and I am very happy with the quality of this item.